नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ जेबिन डॉक्टर मोनिका त्रिवेदी. Today's topic is reduction of aldehyde and ketone. First we have to learn about the reduction of by hydride transfer reagent. Okay, so the reduction of aldehyde to the primary alcohol and a ketone to a secondary alcohol is a normal easy to accomplish using the sodium bromohydrate or the lithium aluminum hydrate. Okay, so the lithium aluminum hydride is a powerful reagent commonly used in either of the solution. So the lithium aluminum hydride reduces a wide range of the functional group including COOH, COR, CN, CONH2 and epoxide. This reagent can be in conventional used to the reduction of water or alcohol. Okay, so in this presence of the sodium bromohydrate is a more specific for the reduction of the aldehyde and ketone. It is similar to the reducting agent. Okay, so in the reduction of only aldehyde and ketone on the aldehyde and ketone, it has a no effect on the carbon double bond, carbon triple bond, and nitrogen double bond, ester, nitriles, and nitro groups. So in this reaction you can see the double bond of C double bond O bond, the ketone the carbonyl group will reduct and it will give the alcohol. Okay, in here you can see the example C double bond O group will reduct in the group of the OH. Okay, the sodium bromohydride is used is selective between the carbonyl group and the different environment. For example, the compound having a conjugated and non-conjugated carbonyl compound, it is in the non-conjugated carbonyl group which undergoes a reduction process. Okay, in this reduction process you can see here the alpha beta ketones on the reduction with the sodium bromohydride can give the 1,2 as well as the 1,4 addition. Okay, you can see this position will reduct in the alcohol on presence of sodium bromohydride. Okay, in presence of sodium bromohydride it will give the 0% yield of 1,2 attack and it will give the 100% yield of 1,4 attack. When the reduction of the alpha beta unsaturated ketone with the sodium bromohydride is carried out in presence of the catalyst CeCl3, then the 1,2 addition is formed. Okay, so you can see in this example the 1,2 addition is formed. Now in next example, in another example you can see the reaction is involved with the combination of the CeCl3 and sodium bromohydride is a selective reaction of the ketone in presence of the aldehyde. In this combination, the discrimination between the different ketonic and the aldehydic carbonyl group affecting the selective reduction of the least reactive carbonyl group in the dicarbonyl compound. For example, the alpha beta unsaturated ketones are reduced selectively in the presence of saturated ketones. Okay, here you can see the C double bond O group will reduct and it will give the alcohol over here. Like similarly in a ketonic group are reduced selectively in presence of the aldehyde group. Okay, there is a aldehyde group present over here and there is a carbonyl group, ketonic group, and the ketonic group will reduce in presence of sodium bromohydride and HCCl3 and methanol. Okay, it will reduct and it will give the alcohol over here. Now it is believed that under the reaction condition, the more reactive aldehyde group is protected as the hydride, which is stabilized by the complexation with the cerium ion and it regenerated during the isolation of the product. Okay, in this kind of mechanism, you can see here the carbonyl group present here and carbonyl group present over here. So in presence of sodium bromohydride and cerium chloride and in presence of methanol, it will reduct the first of C double bond OH, the formaldehyde, the aldehyde group over here, and by addition of one OH molecule here. You can see the OH molecule over here. So the C double bond O bond will reduced by the alcohol group. Also in the other position, the carbonyl group also reduct. Okay. Now the final product what we will get is the reduction of the OH group present over here. The aldehyde group will not reduct in that condition. The aldehyde ketone can also be reduced with the boron, reducing of the carbonyl groups by the boron takes place by the addition of the electron deficient borons of the oxygen atom, followed by the irreversible transfer of the hydride ion from the boron to the carbon. Okay, in this kind of reaction you can see here the carbonyl group and the boron hydride over here. You can see the shifting of the carbon double bond O bond, and this new bond formed between the oxygen and boron by the transferring the electron from the oxygen to the boron atom. So this is the intermediate product again. Now the hydrolysis, this bond will break and you will get the alcohol as a product, secondary alcohol as a product. And another example in it is a normal reaction. In presence of B2Aces, it will give the alcohol. Here you can see the secondary alcohol here. So in this case, the procyryl ketone, the major enantiomer form can be formed by the this kind of reactions. You can see here the bond here, the difference between the large and the small. L is a large and S is a small group attached with the carbonyl group. So the front and the back, the plane of the alcohol and the plane of the product will changes by this rule. So this is the rule between the alpha ketoester of the chiral alcohol. If the relative conjugation of the ketoester present in a first position, the reducting agent will attack with the ketonic carbon from the less hindrance side. Okay, so it will attack from this side or it will attack from this side. Okay, so the hydrogen will attack on the less hindrance side. Okay, so you will get the product like this. However, the procyryl ketone produce only the single enantiomer when the reduction is carried out with the B2H6 in presence of the chiral non-aromatic non-racemic ligand. The best ligand is oxo-bromo-iodine complex. Okay, so this is the example of this is the first, which is a oxo-bromo-iodine complex. Now this oxo-bromo-iodine complex will react with the carbonyl and it will give the alcohol. They react with the double bond and it will give the alcohol. So with the ketone, this is the asymmetric center for the product. For the it will show the another. You can see in another example. This is the second rule for the addition of the less hindrance side of the molecules, which is reduced by the catalyst. In this example, you can see in presence of lithium aluminum hydride, in presence of lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, this side of C double bond O will reduct and the OH group will also take place in the addition of hydrogen over here, and finally you will get the product. The OH is here on the behalf of the C double bond O, and the OH present on the this side will convert into the hydrogen. So the reactant are reduced. This kind of reactant are reduced C double bond C, C double bond C, NO2, CO, HCO, CONH2, and this kind of reagent are also used. Like in this reaction, you can see the reaction, the CHO group will reduct and it will give the alcohol. The COCH3 group will reduct, present over here in CHOCH3. The C double bond O, the carbonyl group will reduct and give the OH here. And in the next example, it will give the C double bond O and OH here. Thank you very much.